I just had my second kid, and one thing I knew I wanted when I had them was this wearable breast pump. Pumping can be such a pain, and having something that you can just throw on one side while you're feeding in the other, or be able to wear while you're doing dishes, cleaning the house, is a mandatory item for me. So let's talk about this wearable breast pump, why it's really great, and I'll show you all the details here. Okay, so first off, when you get this, it does come with a little instruction manual, so it tells you exactly how you should be wearing it, how you can be pouring out the milk. We'll go over that today, as well as cleaning, sterilizing, how to clean it, how to assemble, and just some helpful tips for pumping. It also comes with this card that tells you exactly how to measure your nipple sizes. The flange that you get with your pump is extremely important to make sure that you're pumping the right way, it's comfortable, and it's fitting you in the right manner. So you have this great tool to actually measure. It will come with a 21 and 22 millimeter flange, but it also does come with some additional flange sizes. So you can go ahead and test out different sizes and make sure that you have the right size that does fit with you. Included in your box are going to be the two pumps. So I'll just show you one of them right now. So here's one. This is your charging mechanism. So it comes with two chargeable plugs or adapters. So you can go ahead and plug that in. It's also just your normal plug that you use for like cell phones and computers and stuff like that. But right here, you have the on switch. You have plus and minus for how powerful you want it to be. It also times you, which I absolutely love because you know exactly how long you're doing it. And it will have the battery here, so how much the battery is going through. You can go down, and you can also change the different types of pumping here as well. Inside of your pump, so that just attaches right here, you have all of the pieces, and everything does come apart, so it's really easy to clean. You can take everything off, you can sterilize, and clean all of the different pieces, and it's really easy to assemble as well because it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. All you do, you slide on this guy so it matches the arrows here. You put on your little suction piece here, and I've done this so many times in the middle of the night so I know exactly how to do it. And then you just fit it into your pump holder, match all of these up, and you are set to go here. You just want to make sure that everything sections really well. You plug in your charger right here. I also have my old chargers. I kept them and they do still fit on this. So you can have extra backup chargers as well. And then right here, as you can see, there's a hole. This is where you can also pour your milk from. So really, really great. And if you're interested in knowing just how much milk you have, it does have measurements on the side of here so you can see exactly how much you have going. 2 additional suction pieces, 2 additional valves, as well as some bra adjustments here. So this way you can continue to use this even if some pieces break. It comes with some additional breast storage bags here, which are just always great to have on hand. And these are gonna let you help preserve your breast milk. As I said before, it comes with 2 charging cords here. It comes with a cleaning brush, as well as a storage bag. Not something too crazy, but for the price, this is really great. An instruction manual. Let's talk about my final thoughts on this. So as I mentioned, I used this with my last pregnancy. I've used some really expensive competitors in the space, and I do think that this is my favorite pump. I had some that I got for free with my insurance I tried, and this just tops it all. I love it because you can choose to just put one side on, you can choose to put both sides on, do laundry, do the dishes, do whatever you need to get done at the house. And it's really easy to just pour out and use again and again. I absolutely love this. I recommend this to all of my friends that are pregnant, breastfeeding, thinking about breastfeeding. It is such an affordable, good cost, and amazing pump, so I highly, highly recommend.